Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I have reasoning of giving him my support. People are saying Bola Ahmed Tinubu is too old. Never, he's not old. I will tell you, pump and play. I've met with him, I've interacted with him. There's nobody that don't normally have a challenge. If you, even the engine that works, at times he will go for servicing. So people are just capitalizing. They've tried many way, different way. Around 8 years of this present government, Bola Tinubu cannot say this is the contract that we're giving to him. I give him kudos. Nobody can testify that Bola Ahmed Tinubu was given a contract in this present government. It's not so money conscious. People don't look at, if people have that kind of opportunity to be part of the present government, it will take anything that they want. Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not did any contract in this present administration. It's not so money conscious. We are not looking for people that are so money conscious. And secondly, when I was in Lagos, I can see Lagos where a place, if even the hair is smelling in Lagos, let's be sincere. In that time, he was having zero allocation. Beside that zero allocation, no money were coming to him. He used the revenue of Lagos to manage Lagos. People started from where he stopped. My brother, we need a bright future. We need somebody that will work, not the person that is so money conscious. If Nigeria will understand, I don't think, because they've tried many ways, there's nothing you can point out at Bola Tinubu except you tag him, but you cannot prove it. We've checked around based on my own party. I've checked around. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the man that is capable, that can give us a better life in Nigeria.